Khubor baro shakatup Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Bamdu ka ding ya ka ying ka kong brilliancy tangsang ha umling. Say madan ka sorkar Meghalaya da ka boss electric ha sor Shillong. Biang lut ki kot kisla jong u James la rabet ya ka shuki MP Raja Sabha. Ban Rai Menteri Rangba aban penwai no ika kontrak Sam Boarding Kasai Limited. Bat mentang ini apai shiki Khubor ki bakambania. Kawai ka yeng sa abriu ka badon hasnong umling riboy district kala ingkong bat kala depe hakading ka balakalang kensan hakapor kumba architeng senya hakakandai tarik Jylliew. Hakani ka jingja bashir kay amsham don ganu ka jing mensaw ni ka jingya beki briu ki badon hakani ka yeng. Katkum kejingit hu jong katrai yeng kong brilliancy tangsang kalaong. Katba kadang don hapo yeng rengkat bat arngut ki khun ret jongka. Kala yoi ya kejing thaba bat kejing sma nakading kabami nakakam rashet jing shet. Maria yoi ya kani kala pelat no ya laki khun shabar yeng bat let pan jing erap na ki parang marjan. Kinong shong shnong kilam mare ban ai jing erap bat persang ban tem ya kading henrei namar ka jingklang stet ki thlit ding. Kim Samla ban te lakam yakading. Harian kani la pentip no shaki bor pelip ding nanong po ki pala poi kloy lan shaka jaka bat la ban pelip no yakading shwa bakan pur shaki wei pat ki ying ki ba marjan. Laong ba wat la amsham ladon ki ba mensaw hakani ka jingja henrei ka ying bat bun ki tiar gitar ki badan hapo kila sha bam dulut hakading ka balawan ra ya ka jingkor dit bat jing du nong ka bakraw yakani ka long ying.
Ngar audit eh. Deliver in school.
Mas betul koi sekarang. Ah.
Ada gitu sih saya briket dia masih pun ya kan. Kenapa rumah tu mau pun lebih untuk. Joining ki ada
Kunci mama. Mama try.
Siangkan kami profesional yang sufisien dan masih profesional.
Bandung ni mau. Mereka dia bayar dah tu soal ni.
Ya, deh, wah.
Orang kan rak tu tak belum tahu.
Ni apa kah? Di bawah mahal ni ada. Tambah mana tu? Macam you dari bawah enggak ini apa?
Tip. Bede begini kajing dia ke bas sesi hang ni apa? Shillong umling jongi. Ha ke ba mane men start kumalai beje kadang ni kajing dia ji plu jadi nak yeng. Ha ke ba kajing plu jadi yeng kalong nak tahu ba mane met bersmit dan like. Khun yang ini try nak yeng sam sabar. Kita ke polong imi khi ti mar badum mom don like. Jadi si penmet ak mombati. Kena ka daw ka jing kena mombati le se la belong namar ba buat ke mombati alor ke sendok ku mi thiak kan san ti handin bai la kan det pat iyo sngo ba kading kala kelang ba kading la bamdu kena ka yeng ka wai. Kena liang jong ka Shillong kan pau ka jing sulam kena ka yeng. Bat nang liang jong aku rumah Shillong kan turu ya ki department ki baye dei ban yarap ya kan ka long yem kat bala kit sabha ban pli ka relief ka ba khamkloi namar ba jing du ki kala khambun ke rumah Shillong na pau jing sosi ya kan ka jing jia khamtam ka jing jia nga nut benong ba ka daw kalong namar ba jing bombiang ka light ke hab thang ke momati man miet ke la dam dei na ta ka daw ni ka jing jia ka nam jia te kita ide ki banga pen pau na por nga yo man pentip sa phi ki ba ki ba pe ba
Kesorkar Meghalaya kala say madan santli ki bos elektrik bala pelaj pat ba ada menteri rangba kondat ki sangma ubala pelaj haka khandai tarik Jylliew haka Jylla ka bala long estate guest house Shillong. Yakini ki bos la Beijing lut na kapla pisa PM e-bus sewa scheme jong Kesorkar India. Haka jingkren menteri rangba ulapan pau ya ka jingkmen bat jingkermen da ka baong. Yaki pat ba Kesor Shillong, Kesorkar India bat Sorkar Jylla kilanang the ki jingerap ban penbiang bat ban pensuk ya ka let ka wan jongki lengba kini ki bos badang thamai. Lengba kini ki e-bus ka Shillong kanang yo ya ka leer ka bakhuj basuba bat kanang yai phalang de ki jingjer ngam ka mariang. Kumju ru kan pensuk ya ka let ka wan jongki pat ba na ka we ka dong sha ka we pat. Karbana kaliang u Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary, Urban Affairs Department, Ulaong. Lakmi lenti ba shen en sayo kumbasan po tali ki bos elektrik ki banyaj shen hakani ka Jylla.
Dr. Vijay Kumar, our Commissioner and Secretary, Urban Affairs, our officials from Government of India, as well as our officials from the state government, Arang Bashnongs, are present out here, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to congratulate the department and at the same time thank our Honorable Prime Minister and the Government of India for the vision as well as converting that vision into an actual action. And today we are seeing the launching of the e-buses under the PM e-bus Seva scheme. As you're aware that public transportation has been one of the biggest challenges for us in the city, and we have been experimenting with different models at different levels, whether it is the school buses with the stems or whether it is trying to bring out new systems in the public transportation, the buses that we have, and now with the e-buses. Different mechanisms are being piloted and experimented, and slowly and steadily we are seeing that we are coming out with a model that is more adaptable and tailor-made for the needs of our city. And the ultimate goal of this entire process is really to figure out how we can decongest the city, how we can ensure that people will use public transport more than the personal vehicles, so that the congestion in the city can reduce, and that of course, as we know, has got multiple benefits for everyone. So I'm very happy today that the e-buses are being launched, and of course we will see more of these buses coming up. And I'm sure that slowly and steadily we will see the impact of this kind of a system coming into place, which will lead to ultimately the desired decongestion and reducing the traffic issues that we have in the city in the days to come. Apart from all of this, you're aware that the different parking lots are coming up in different areas, and very soon we'll be inaugurating many more of the parking lots, especially the one that you've seen next to the additional Secretariat building. That, as you can see, that in the beginning there were not many vehicles, but today it's almost about 70%, 80% full. So it's really showing that transition and the change that we wanted to see to ensure that, as I said, with the larger goal of decongesting the city. So we are actually seeing the impact now. And I hope that the efforts will continue and we will be able to, really see that change that we would like to see in the long run. And as you are all aware that our
Kajing Bishar Bajing Pechsani Yakikot Kisla Jong James K. Sangma Kertong MP Raja Sabha na NPP na Meghalaya Lashem Haka Khandai Tarik Jylliew Bakila Bianglot na Dong Shadong. Hakani ka election MP Raja Sabha Lashem ba amdon weipat ubala thep kerteng banya aireng ya umniu kertong. Umalthus S. Sangma Secretary ke Yeng Dorbar Thawan ke Jylla ubalong returning officer ban penyat ya kani ke election ula pech sani ya ki kot kisla bat ula penbena ba kila bianglut nadong syadong. Kumba kalong menta u James ke sangma ulara eka thong banlong u MP Haraja Sabha nagbenta Henrius nem na Meghalaya namar amdan kamshu bane thep vote haka khat pratarik kasngi balabu ban thep vote lada don ka jingya khun ban jingya aireng na ki wei pat ki kertong jong ki wei ki seng san perthei. U James ke sangma ulong u kertong ban ningkong haka ni ka kenti ban ra ye ka thong klem kanu ka jingya khun. Kani ka jingjob jong James ke sangma kalawan ra ya ka jingkemen hakisan phuwengut ki MLA ki badon haka kunhun ka sarkar MDA ba yalam da menteri rangba konrat ke sangma upara trai jong u James ke sangma. Kini ki de ki khun jong u purno e sangma.
Yes, as part of the official process, the scrutiny took place today, and the officers of the returning officer's office, they checked all the necessary documents which I had submitted during the course of my nomination filing, and everything was found to be in order, and accordingly the scrutiny has given the go ahead. There is a due process, and the next step would be the last date for withdrawing nominations, which is on the 11th. Yes. No, that is of course not something for me to comment on. That is the prerogative of the returning officer. No, not at all.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrat ke sangma ulah kular hakinong yalam jong ke NPP ban wengno eka kontrak jong ka Sai Computers Limited kabalayo bor ban sam boarding ban lum by ding electric hakilai tili ki constituency ki bakenthop ya ka Mausenram Mauplang Ranikor. Uba HM Shangpliang habayathu shakilat pathai Khubor hakajan me jong ka pratarik Jylliew ulaong. Kinong yalam jong ke NPP na lai tili ki constituency kilaya kendu ya menteri rangba ha ka santarik Jylliew ban dawa ban wengno ya ka kampet boarding na ka company Sai Computers Limited na gini ki jaka. Ulaya thu ha ka nyau tarik kilalit ban but din biang ya ka ni ka kam ha ka ba nakaliang menteri rangba ulah kular ban wengno ya ka kontrak pet boarding ka Sai Computers Limited na kitei kilai tili ki constituency. Bat kani ka kam kadang yat shat bat hakini ki khndiat sngi ka sai kan samino. Uba Alvin ke saukme MDC ka Mausenram ula benrap da ka bapen pau ya ka jing sngo kemen ba menteri rangba ula kular bat kentu ya ki pad ba bakin yaisha namar hakini ki khndiat sngi ka sarkar kala shim khia ban wengno ya ka Sai Computers Limited na kane ka kontrak.
Leaders jong ka NPP baro na ka Mausenram constituency na po Ranikor constituency bat kunjul na po ka Mauplang constituency nilaya don ka jingalam halor ka kam badai bat ka Sai Computers ka badai pe ka boarding hakini gilai tili ki constituency jungi shathi Ranikor Mausenram bat Mauplang jukwa ban pentip hakmat jungki baro ba taka jingbut dien jongi kumne ki leaders jongka NPP bat nilai kendo ya chief minister bat bo ya kajingdawa ban wengno chisendan ya ka Sai Computers Limited kabade pe ya ka boarding hagi tanjungi bat nilai ya ban but dien bat chief minister biang menin janmiet hadin bang nilai kendo ya hayeng jongu hakasan tarik hakaba uong chief minister ba undang pek benia ya kani ka kam hakanu kadur ba pediang ya ka jingdawa jungi anda menin janmit ka kunhun jungi kale kenduk biang yu chief minister bat la budin batu but chief minister la munjur ban terminate no ya ka kontrak jong ka Sai ninget ba kakam pan terminate kadang ya syai but hapo ki khandiat sngi let's say kan sapoi ka order ba ka Sai ka di ban mi no nang the na ka thain jungi ta kalong ka jing puntip em ta ju hi baro
Sashisien pasuban ai khuble yu chief minister hadin mangiyo kundu hatu sngi ha ka yeng ka jungu to see man step man santarik but na ki dawam laker ba ngi khamla ban ye penbe ha tu sngi te menen ka janmit ngi yo bani kundu beng sasisen but ka khubor ka bosmo tanat kalong ba ulai ka assurance na kleng ka jungu ba yakani ka sai company kumbalong menta un terminate no na kane ka mosram block ranikor block but na poka mo plang block ru kunju te ka ba kani barok ki ha poka mosram subdivision te nga kerpa di ki ba ba kinchu yesha ha kini ki khindia snihi kumbangla batai phi bakan terminate no te sobha yesha but ngira tikna ba nakaleng jong ka sarkar kala simkia hadin baki yosno yaka jingput jong upat ba te nakaleng jong sarkar kila kulan bat kin pendap no kini kam hakini
Bad na kitu ki Khubor ngla poi siya bakot tarhado bangin daya siyembiang kublay sibon.